What's your name again? I'm just gonna catch this while we're doing it.
My name's Rich.
Yeah, and what are you working on right now?
I'm working on a 2019 3.5 Ford Explorer. Had the infamous water pump leakage out of the weep hole behind the alternator. To get that, this case has to come off. New timing chains have to be put on because it's a timing chain driven water pump.
Crazy.
So then goes down that deep rabbit hole of, since we're in there, might as well replace this, might as well replace that.
Yeah, so you're doing like extra for the customer, basically.
That's correct, yeah. So once we do all this motor's going to be good for another 100K miles.
That's amazing. And so it takes a lot of trust for someone to come in here and do stuff like that.
That's correct, yes.
So you've been doing this, you said, what, how many years now?
Going on about almost 10 years.
Wow. So a lot of hours, man.
Yes, a lot of hours put into this, yeah.
But it's cool. I mean, like being able to work with your hands. And so I just want customers to know, come out and see us here at 850 South Lincoln Ave.
Come on down.
Yeah. And remind me of your name again.
Rich.
So come see Rich, come see all the crew down here, and they got your back and they're taking their time with this kind of stuff. Anyway, have a good one, and we look forward to seeing you guys down here.